Hi, let's copy a file from a local system to a remote system using Ansible. I have here two tabs with the local system, and here is the remote box. Here I ls or ltr, this lists the latest files at the bottom to see what was the last file here that was changed or whatever. So nothing got copied yet. So this is just for orientation. We will need it in a second. And here is my local playbooks folder, and I prepared one playbook copy file YAML and the YAML format. So the file has to start with 3 dashes, and it has to end. Forgot. Oops. It has to end with 3 dots. That's convention. And this is the name from the playbook. This is the target host. You could add several ones separated by a comma. And here comes the task, our copy task. We are using the Ansible build and copy module. And the source file, the source path, this is the path on the local system, and the destination path refers to the path on the remote system. And this way you can define the owner and the owning group of the file. So it's here foo bar, given that these two here exist on the remote system. Otherwise, sure, you will end up in an error. And we use the backup option to create a backup of the file. This is interesting because I think here is in a very useful information missing in the official documentation, because the backup is just being made if the file on the target system, on the remote system, is getting changed. We will see that in a minute. Okay, that's it. We copy the file, etc the copied file. It's this one here, etc. The copied file is empty. It's just an empty file. And let's run the playbook. You run the playbook by Ansible playbook and the name of the playbook. Here's just one. And because not running Ansible as root user, this needs some more configuration. What is not part of this video? I may make it if you want to see it. Otherwise, I just run now Ansible as with root permissions. This is why I run the playbook as root user using sudo. And this will result in an error because I want to show you where you have to take care of as well, of which file. So here you get the warning, provided hosts list is empty. What is meant by this hosts list? This is this file here, vim etc ansible hosts. In here you can define your own groups. The groups are defined in the square brackets, and below this group name you can list all the host names or the IP addresses which then belong to the group. And then in the playbook you can target the group name, and this way you can target and define what are the target systems from your playbook. Okay, this is just one remote box we now have here for this testing purpose, and now it's defined in the etc ansible hosts file, and for sure I have to do that as root user as well because this file is in the etc directory. So I do the same as root user. And now let's run the playbook again. And this should result in a change on the target system. It's here. If this comes back in green, if here was mentioned in green OK as well, this will mean that there was no change done on the remote box, that it was already in the state that we defined in the playbook. If the remote system is in the state we defined in the playbook, so if the file is there already and it has the content as defined on the source system, then there will be a green OK, and this means no change was necessary to reach the state defined in the playbook. And now let's take a look at the remote system. Look again in etc, and you see here is a copied file. It got copied over. It's the same empty file. But where's the backup file? That's the case. Let's run the playbook once more. Everything will result here now in green. OK, because no change is needed to reach the state of the defined state from the playbook. So OK, nothing was changed. And let's take another look for the backup. Where is it? No backup. Let me now edit this file. If I now run the playbook again, the file differs from the source file and it will be changed again. And then we will have a backup as well. Now you see this is a file that was changed now, was copied in the last playbook run. This is the empty one. And the backup one is the one I changed there. So just if you have the file already on the target system and it gets changed, then the source file is getting copied over and a backup is being done from the one that was already there on the target system. That's it. I hope this helped. And if you have any questions, if you'd like to see any other Ansible feature on a video, just let me know in the comment boxes. Have a nice time. Bye.